A Kikoff application can be denied because of eligibility requirements, incorrect information, account verification issues, or details in your application that need to be reviewed. By the end, you'll know the common reasons a Kikoff application may be denied and the steps you can take before trying again. The first thing to do after a Kikoff denial is check the reason provided. The explanation can show whether the issue was related to your information, verification, or eligibility. Avoid immediately submitting another application without understanding the problem. Applying again with the same details may lead to the same result. Start by reviewing the information you entered. Check your name, address, income details, and any other required information for mistakes. Incorrect or incomplete details can affect the application review process. Next, make sure your identity information can be verified. Financial products often require accurate personal information before an account can be approved. If the information provided does not match verification records, the application may not move forward. If the issue is related to eligibility, review Kikoff's current requirements before applying again. Different financial products have different approval criteria, so meeting the requirements for one service does not guarantee approval for another. You should also check whether there are any messages or notifications connected to your application. These notices may explain what information needs to be updated, or what step you need to complete. If you believe the denial happened because of incorrect information, correct the details before submitting another application. Make sure every part of the application is complete and accurate. If you are unsure why the application was denied, contacting Kikoff support can help clarify the reason. Provide your application details and any message you received so they can better identify the issue. The goal is to fix the reason behind the denial instead of repeatedly applying without making changes. A simple checklist before applying again is to review your personal information, confirm verification details, understand the eligibility requirements, and make sure the application is complete. To summarize, Kikoff applications may be denied because of incorrect details, verification issues, or eligibility requirements. Check the denial reason, fix any problems you find, and review the requirements before trying again. Your next step is to read any denial message from Kikoff and update the specific information connected to the decision. If this guide helped you understand how to handle a denied application, like the video and subscribe for more simple explanations about financial products and apps.